we're hearing from one of the chaplains at Baystate Medical Center working on the front lines in the hospital's COVID-19 unit. As Beth Ward reports in this exclusive story, she's there for the triumphs as patients recover, but also the tragedies as others reach out for spiritual guidance and support in their final moments.
At Baystate Medical Center, there are 7 members of spiritual services from all denominations working 24/7 during this COVID-19 pandemic, like Uta Schmidt, an ordained minister with United Church of Christ and a certified spiritual care educator.
As chaplains, we are here to provide that sense of calm and that sense of reassurance and that sense of togetherness. We are in this together.
This pandemic presents challenges unlike she and her team have ever seen before, offering any type of comfort they can to patients.
To request a prayer, to request a virtual visit, we're here to support anyone of any faith, of no faith, in any capacity we can.
Sometimes she says that means offering a cell phone or a FaceTime to patients whose families can't be there, as much a comfort to them as it is to hospital staff.
I had another patient where we FaceTimed and he could see his fiancée and it put a smile on his face. And that smile of this patient who had been intubated for 5 days made the day of the team, the nurses and myself and the physicians who witnessed that. And I think that gives us a sense of hope that carries us through.
And for the sickest of patients, those who may not make it, she says some are allowed one family member to come and say goodbye, often asking for spiritual guidance.
A couple of weeks ago, I witnessed that, how a family member was in the room with their father who was dying of COVID-19 related symptoms, and she sang to him, and it was heartbreaking and beautiful at the same time.
She calls it humbling and a privilege to be part of these moments during these unprecedented times.
We are spiritual people, so we use our spirituality to offer prayers, and prayers work through doors and through windows.
And that was Beth Ward reporting. Baystate Spiritual Services also has help for families who may have a loved one dealing with COVID-19. For more information on that, just head to our website, westernmassnews.com. And for more coverage on the coronavirus emergency as it continues to develop, log on to our free Western Mass News streaming app.